Hi everyone, I'm Super Dan. I'm going to be just going through some of the Velocidrone track this week. I had great fun with this one on this track made by a good friend Mr. E, and I just wanted to kind of take you through some of the lines that I've been doing, and maybe you could got some tips for improving it, and just to show you sort of how I've approached it, point out some of the places I've been caught out on, and maybe you're acing it and you can come back and tell me where I'm going wrong. So to start off, we've got on the bottom, we've got our stick input, so you can see what's going on there. So go through full throttle through the first gate. Now, at the start of the track, I'm going around. So when you go through this, you've got the start gate. As you come through here, I'm pre-turning into this gate, multi-GP gate, and you can see I can already see the other flag there. And I'm doing this super ready because I want to widen out that turn around the flag to keep then the following turn down through the gate nice and tight. And then we're going up there, dropping through and into the cannon. So this is quite fast so far. I think there's bits tight up there. You can make this cannon into this gravity gate super fast and super tight, but I found doing that I was constantly just ever so slightly clipping the floor with the base of on the grass here. And we're through there, just keeping everything in view, getting everything in view as quick as possible, and running through there. Again, just I need to make things just a little bit faster, tighten things up a little bit. Now here was always a nightmare, going over this little wall. It's just so blind. It's just really hard to do, and I imagine there's probably a way you can do it flat, where you cut really close, but I could probably save some time here. But this is just so tricky to do blind. I was just taking a little bit cautiously through here. Then we have over here again. This felt quite slow, and that again was quite a blind bit. So where you kind of come through this this bit here, you can't see it coming out of that lower gate to this top corner very easily. So for me, I was just hesitant on that each time around, just to make sure I was going through it. And then I seem to save quite a lot of time over people going through down this ladder. I'm not normally good at down ladders, so I was quite chuffed with that. Again, just trying to keep the lines consistent is the main thing, I think, to doing anything fast. I have a habit of slowing down on the second lap, which is really bad. So my lap times do get a little bit slower, but as the battery goes down, you're going to get slower anyway. So I'm using the TBS spec quad for this. I could use any of the others, but I chose to use the spec quad. I like being I like trying to be the fastest spec quad, which is always difficult anyway, because there's some really fast guys. But it does just, if you can't be the fastest guy with one of the other quads, why not try and be the fastest guy with the slowest one? And it's good for working on lines. You can see there I kind of hesitated a bit. It would be good if I could just keep things continuous throughout. And then again over the wall, just lining it up, little twitch through there, wrapping around, in through the top gate, over the top. Again, I could have taken this tighter the second lap. It wasn't quite as tight as the first one. But that's my 3 laps, and I did enjoy in flying that. Got some tribals up there. He's a good benchmark to set, and hopefully I can get him again later on. But he's got a good 4 seconds on me. I'm not sure where I pull 4 seconds back. But yeah, if you've got any ideas of how you think I can improve it, whether you think there's no more time to be gained with this setup, I don't know. There must be tribals on TBS spec quad, so it must be able to go faster. So yes, this is just some of my lines. If you want to know more, drop us a comment. If you like this, give us a like, and subscribe for more content. We've got some actual flying coming up soon. I've been doing the sim quite a lot with the cold. I must say I'm a fair weather flyer, so I've not been out too much in the cold weather, but I'm hoping to get back out flying more. Particularly the races. I took a racer out today with got 50-degree camera tilt, much different to flying a freestyle quad. It was great. So yeah, I'll catch you next time.